What's going on, you guys? This is Mike from MikeMoneyTips.com, coming at you today with a video on how to make $5 over and over and over, if not more. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. I'm going to show you the skills and tools that you need, and I'm going to show you where to go online to make money with this. So without further ado, let's kick this off and get started. If y'all, in this video, you will be trading time for money. If you want something a little more passive, check out the first link in the description. That's what I do to make my money online. This I've done in the past and will probably keep doing too, but you do have to trade time for money. I'm just the type of person that I'm a glutton for punishment, I guess. But anyway, today we're going to go on Fiverr, and I'm going to show you how to make that $5 over and over again with a Fiverr gig. I'm going to show you the gig, and then I'll show you the tool that you can use, and then I'll probably show you another website that's Fiverr's little known brother that not a whole lot of people's talking about right now. So we're going to be talking about if this thing will move and do what it's supposed to do. I'll show you. Of course, now my computer's going to freeze. What the? There we go. Anyway, okay. Let's go up here and look for logo designs. Wait, here we go. Starting to load. I guess my computer's running slow because I'm actually recording my screen and everything else, but that's okay. As you can see here, these guys are making $25, $30, $55, $60, $40. This guy's even getting $900, and he's pro verified with a 5-star review, 57 of them. Now, in case y'all want to do the math, 900 times 50, I'm just making it easy, would be $45,000. And then you add another 7 900s, 7 times 9's 54. So you're talking, he's made what? Anyway, it's like a lot of money. This one right here's selling for 85, and that's $1,000 or 1,000 plus at 4.9 star. So that's, say at 1,000, that's $85,000 she's made off of that. This guy's got $50 with 743 of them. So you're talking at least 35,000, a little bit more. As you can see, you can make good money with this. And matter of fact, let's go back up to one of the cheaper ones, like this one right here at 25. It's got 250 reviews. This guy's got a standard 3D mock-up, source file, everything else. This is his standard package. One logo for $25. You get 2 logos, high resolution, for $65. And the premium package is, and the survey says, $85 for 3 logos. So I promise you, with the tool I'm about to show you you can make your money back off of it in very short time. You see his average response time 21 minutes or 16 hours. His recent delivery was 21 minutes ago. And if you want to know how to get sales on Fiverr, what you do is basically you undercut everybody. You see most everybody starting at 25, you put yours in here for 20. But anyway, let's go over here and I'll show you the, oops, I'm all the way down here. Let me go back up to the top and I'll show you the sales page here for this. It's a piece of software called Pixielogo. Create amazing logos and mock-ups in under a minute without any complicated software or monthly fees. You can create unlimited logos and icons in 3 simple steps. Create unlimited projects and designs. State-of-the-art artificial intelligence, no monthly fee, no pay per design or commercial with commercial license included. And this is the templates that they give you. You type in a brand name and edit the template, whatever you want. It's drag and drop, and then you save the logo, print them out, or whatever you want to do, and send them to your customer. You create unlimited branding, one-on-one multi-icon, auto-generate mock-ups, which means if you type in the company name, because when you get a gig on Fiverr, they're going to send you all the information that they want you to do. They're going to give you the company name, the color scheme, everything else. When you do it, you're going to input the information into the software, and the auto-generate will spit out designs based on the information that you give it. Of course, you can always go in and tweak them however you wish. And you can create unlimited designs, completely crowd friendly, means it'll go on any platform, whether you got a Mac, PC. You can even do it from your smartphone. I've done it from Android. So you can, like it says here, you can start a logo design business. You can create designs like this. Here's what do they call these, like testimonials. And businesses pay big money for logos. Think about BP or BBC, which is a really basic one. Pepsi logo, City of Melbourne logos, FedEx, LG, Nike, Toyota. This is the option 1, creating and designing their own logos. This requires you just be creative, so it's central word creativity. Or is it? High creative network in your brain, compromising these 3 parts: default network, executive control, and somewhat, I don't know how to say that, but anyway, what that is switching mechanism between the first 2 networks, and is mainly responsible for making that idea a reality. But put in layman terms, you need to be born with it. You have to be right brained. It falls in your lap, or good luck smiling upon you. You've got to be a little mad. Option 2, pay a designer to do it for you, which there again it can get really expensive, as I've showed you before on Fiverr. I know both these options suck, so they've teamed up to create this artificial intelligence powered simplest logo maker. Create unlimited branding for your business clients. Create one icon to multi-icon logos. Generate auto generate brand mock-ups, create unlimited designs without expensive cost, limited time offer with the commercial rights, so you without an upgrade. So once you buy this, you don't have to buy any upsells. This will give you what you need in order to get up and running to make money. Here you got a video to watch them create one. But basically what it is, I don't know why it jumped like that. Select a template or an empty canvas, and there's 2,000 different logos you can use. Type in a keyword and edit the template. Built-in library of 1.5 million different icons you can use. Save, download, and print your logos. So like I said, you can do it from your iPhone or your tablet like they're showing here. AI assistant. Anyway, this is a great, powerful software, and it's a beautiful thing. And as you can see, these other ones like Logo Joy, Taylor Brand, Logo Crisp, Smashing Logo, none of them give you the templates. None of them give you really flexible design, mock-up generator. You know, it's got everything you need, and it's only $47 for a one-time fee. Most of these are monthly. Oh no, that's per design. I'm sorry. So yeah, and now you get into the bonuses which are giving you, which is Pixie Make, which it you can select template, you can customize it, and then you can hit render, and then you can track it with a tracking pixel. Fast action immediate 15 animated logos. That means that you can have quite a few different things. Let's go back on Fiverr and look at what an animated logo design will cost you. Because see, this is a completely different business. Let's see if it's there. No. Yeah. Okay. And animated logo. And let's see what this pulls up, so we can see how much more money you could make just off the animated version. There again, you see them starting as low as $25. So, but it's another avenue you can go down, which is beautiful. It's a way to expand and make more money. There's one for 20 and 15. Well, somebody's been listening, hadn't they? And then you come down here for fast action. You can make promo videos, which is there again another gig you can do on Fiverr. You know, them little 30-45 second videos you see on YouTube before a video, or who knows, they may have been one before mine. And then video motion FX bundle, you get the rights included with this too. And then bonus number 5, you get affiliate marketing with a twist. Affiliate marketing is not all about promoting money making opportunity products. Their brands willing to pay you $50 to $1,000 per sale, and they're going to show you how to do it. Video marketplace, this is for, there again, it's another bonus that helps you with WordPress sites, creating videos on it. Smart Notify, legally steal Facebook authority to collect leads, which this can really help your opt-in rate if you're running funnels on Facebook. Boom Video Engine, there again, little snippets, little 45-minute videos. Fortune Wheel was created, same concept with different approach. direct response letter. It's to help you sell this. Get instant access to Pixielogo, if you're doing email marketing. And of course, the software is perfect for affiliate marketing, e-com store owners, bloggers, video marketers, Facebook marketers, pretty much anybody that needs a logo, it's perfect for. And of course, there's anything else I try to promote, I try to find stuff with money back guarantees for you guys, because trust me, I know I like to have my money back guarantee in case I don't like it. As you see now, you can get $15 off of this right now. See where it says early pick? Watch this. I should have. Damn it. It'll be alright. Pull up the buy now page and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I can show you exactly how much it would cost you. As you saw, it was 47 something. 47.35. Coupon code. Paste where it said early picks. Now hit apply. And it will come up. Well, it didn't give it to me. Oh well. But anyway, it's only $47.35. It'd be great for you. But the other software, or the other network that I told you I was going to show you, is people per hour. You can go on here and sell the same thing. You come over here, click search. Well, you need to go in, sign up, everything else, but search projects. I'm just showing this to y'all because I know this is getting a little bit long-winded video for me. Up here where it says, there we go. What you'd look for is logo design. Just type in logo. That way I need 2 logos for 115 pounds. Pound is roughly $1.35, so you can do the math on it. This one right here would be roughly $135. Logo drawn, created, design, hoarding, and logo maybe more. I don't know what hoarding is, but need a logo design. You can put it out here. No, this is not as much. Like this guy right here, I would like to make a logo, and that's his fixed price. If you check into these, it'll give you more information. As you see, it is a remote gig. Of course, you want that because unless you live in the UK, because this site is based in the UK, I don't think you really want to be there. I need 2 logos. I own a small vape shop in the UK. Would like to expand. Would like a logo that stands out. Is timeless, appeals to young and old, trustworthy and modern. Second is for a website I have being made, but we'll talk about it's the right person, both, yada yada yada. And as you see, he has had 44 others already send in a proposal, and it ends in 28 days. What you would do, you would go through as many of these as you could and put in a proposal for them. If you guys have got any any value or liked what I've talked about, please like, subscribe, comment. I try to answer all my comments. I'm a one-man show doing what I can. Until tomorrow, we'll talk to you then.